Today's rottcast. Let's see. I would like to bring up stuff that has to do with stuff that has to do with stuff. And the one thing I have is a question to my fellow humans, and not being religious on any point or political even on any point. I ask you this: if you see somebody that's hurt on the side of the road, and I don't care what color, creed, race, religion they may be, because you don't know, and you see them hurt, do you help them out? And I would like to think that the majority of the people that I know personally, despite all of our disagreements, despite everything, you would. And if you wouldn't help a stranger out who's in need and needs help, well, I'm not talking financially, but like I'm talking to bleeding. Like I love how religious people are or how political people are, but when you're in that moment, how do you react? And I don't care what basis you have for it. If you say, "Well, I did this because I was a Christian," or "I did this because I'm a good human," or but would you help somebody out that was hurting? And I think most of you would say yes. I would hope so. I can't see somebody sitting there going, "Oh well, she was wearing, a obvious Muslim garb," and since I hate Muslims, which is a new Christian thing to do, and I get it. I do not support in any way these people. I don't see those people that I love and cherish walking over somebody that's hurt, another human being, and which brings me to wonder why you people are so fucking against universal health care. I know you're comfortable with the way it's been, and I know you think it's this and that happening, and I know the term socialism scares a lot of people because they think it's communism because you're a bunch of uneducated fucking idiots. But the truth of the matter is all your politics, all your religion aside, would you help somebody out if they were hurt? And the fact that I think most of you would say yes, and then you go and you fight all this, you're like, and it comes down to money and what it takes, and being one of the countries that is now falling behind in everything that represents what a good human is. And you can look at the statistics. Maybe I'll edit them in for you about how fucking terribly behind we are as a country, but as human beings, man. I just don't get it. I don't get why money and shit like that falls into it. The whole, well, they don't, some people weren't meant to work. Some people were meant to be artists. Some people were meant to be great creators. There's other people out there that are just broken that come from but for somebody some white privileged fucking piece of shit that grew up in this country and had everything handed to them, and whether you believe it or not, you did. You did. If you're white and you're fucking in this country, it's an easy life, man. To say that other people are slacking or, I mean, there's so many factors to that. And I just take all those politics aside and said, bleeding, horribly injured woman in the middle of traffic, would you help her? And I know most of the people that I consider good humans would. So to me, it's so simple to just take that little concept right there and apply it across the whole board. Why is it different? Because it costs you money? Well, what is money? Money is nothing. You don't get to take it with you. What is, the hope? A society that's healthy and functions together as a whole and knows that it has its best interests in heart is a society that, to me, is going to move forward and just be good. And it's what humans are. It's what the America is all about. And so I have a question for all you fucking ass fucks out there that don't believe in, not just Obama's healthcare thing, because this has been being shut down since Clinton, since way back in the day, man. You fuckers, and I don't want to throw out partisan shit, so just you fucking assholes that think because you were luckier, raised a little better, got like, or even maybe even more, you were broken and come from a fucked up background, and you thought maybe you've worked hard to do this, and now you're going, well, these people don't deserve this, and these people don't deserve that. And despite everything, they're just people. They're just people. And I don't like a lot of humans because of their actions and whatever else. But when it comes down to a moment, I can at least admit that I'd help them out. So that's just what I want to know. Why money matters to you so much. Why you feel like taking it from you. Why, as a country, being listened. I really wish I had the facts down, but where we're at medically and how we take care of our own populace. You people fucking love, you people love, I don't know what. I'm really disappointed in you. This isn't a religious question. This is a human question. Like, what money are you worried about them taking from you? What extra tax? Like, it's gotten so buried in money. Like, that's always the argument. Well, I've got this health insurance plan and I've had this for all my life, and or I've had these and now they want me to do this and do that. But yet you're so selfish you can't step back for a minute and realize that if everybody got together and put one universal health thing together, I mean, fuck all the politics. Just take care of each other. It doesn't become a cost eventually. It becomes a way of life, something to be proud of, something to say. We have no poverty. We have no poor. Yeah, there are people that are fucking losers, but they're a minority. And what pisses me off is all you fucking ass cunts out there that go, oh, well, you can't fucking do this and you can't fucking do that because these people will just take advantage of it. Well, fuck them. They're not taking advantage. They're just living, and they're going to have a poor ending to their life, and their lifestyle's not going to do anything. It doesn't hold you down. It doesn't. As a matter of fact, you should feel better about yourself, no matter what morale upbringing you have, that you helped somebody out that was in need. And those of us that can, and those that can't need to be helped along and put somewhere or somehow, just better. But to say, well, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to help because, well, you go get a job, go work, get a better job, all this shit. You know what? All the fucking ass fucks that say shit like that don't have good jobs. They don't have innovative jobs. Yeah, you're making 20,000 to 100 grand a year. All right, fine. Whatever you're doing. What are you doing to improve the world? You're doing the things that the smart people came up with. You're out there building shit. You're just a laborer bitch. You're not nothing. Just because you make more money than me, thinking that because you're out there working a construction job, you didn't build the buildings. You didn't innovate anything new. You didn't do anything to improve our state of existence. And the people that do that are becoming a thinning number, while the people that just go out there and go, oh, well, I got a good fucking job. I make more money than you. You know what? Fuck you. You got lucky. You got no skills. You got no training. You didn't do anything, and you're not doing anything to better our world. All you're doing is holding down that basic need to take care of yourself. So to all those people, the minimum wage anti-people, all you fucking people that just look at it from such a selfish viewpoint. Well, maybe you don't have kids, and maybe you don't care about the future of them. But I think that the humanity level of it all overweighs any financial shit. And finances ain't gonna mean shit here soon, ladies and gentlemen. You're all gonna fucking find out. And your gods aren't gonna mean shit, and your politics aren't gonna mean shit. 'Cause it's come down to a bunch of starving, hurting, wounded motherfuckers that just need the help of their neighbor. And all your shit won't mean shit in that moment because it could be you lying there bleeding out of your fucking mouth and nothing matters. So what I ask you, my fellow Americans and friends and families and Christians and Republicans, Democrats, liberals, what I ask you is, are you still human? Do you even fucking care about each other? Are you so wrapped up in what you believe in? With your Confederate fucking goddamn racist fucking flag and your Bruce Jenner shit and all this crap is so insignificant when a bomb drops, when a thing happens, y'all group together real quick. I'm sick of it. So you tell me, man, there's a comment section here. There is something. Please defend your pitiful stance of finances and why it matters. And explain it to me, somebody who can literally live completely without and be fine and suffer and enjoy life for the smiles of my children and the good feeling I get for making sure that anybody that I know personally around me is well taken care of. How your finances, your political views, your religious views, how any of that matters, and how you think having all these different views and opinions can ever benefit the human race, which is more important than your fucking stupid fucking belief that you're better than everybody because you're white or you're rich or you got this or you got that or you did that. Capitalism is dead. It's a dying system. Socialism is where it's at. You can take the connotations of that word and whatever you want to twist it up to. It's not un-American to believe that the government should step in and help on certain places where everyday Americans can enlighten themselves into more scientific research, more musical, more arts, more community, and let the government do their job. And when they do it wrong, we are supposed to step up and regulate that. Capitalism is dead. You fucking fucks. And unfortunately, I've only got a couple years left on me, so I can't fucking tell you the true ramifications of the way we're going. But I can say that it is towards a very brutal undignified, terrifying end. Rot, motherfuckers. Fuck you. America!